Our eyes are among the most vital organs, yet they are often taken for granted. Vision loss is a growing concern worldwide, affecting millions of people with conditions such as age-related macular degeneration, AMD, cataracts, glaucoma, and diabetic retinopathy. While genetics and aging play a role, lifestyle choices, particularly diet, can significantly impact eye health. A well-balanced diet, rich in essential vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, can help slow down or even prevent vision decline. Nutrients such as vitamin A, vitamin C, vitamin E, omega-3 fatty acids, lutein, and zinc are known to support eye function, protect against damage, and reduce the risk of chronic eye diseases. By incorporating the right foods into your daily meals, you can strengthen your eyes and maintain clear vision for years to come. In this video, we'll explore the best foods for eye health, each offering unique benefits to prevent vision loss. Making small yet effective dietary changes today can help safeguard your eyesight and ensure you continue to see the world with clarity. Before we continue, if you're enjoying this content, please take a moment to like, comment, and share it with your friends. Doing so helps more people discover the channel. This video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered medical advice. Always consult a healthcare professional or registered dietitian for personalized dietary recommendations. Now, let's dive into the best foods to prevent eye disease and stop vision loss. When it comes to promoting eye health, carrots are undoubtedly one of the most well-known foods. Often associated with improving vision, carrots have earned their reputation due to their high content of beta-carotene, a plant pigment that the body converts into vitamin A. This nutrient is essential for maintaining healthy vision, particularly for the ability to see in low-light conditions, a process known as night vision. Vitamin A plays a crucial role in the formation of rhodopsin, a protein in the retina that is necessary for low light and color vision. Without enough vitamin A, the body can struggle to produce rhodopsin, which can lead to night blindness, a condition where a person has difficulty seeing in dimly lit environments. While vitamin A deficiency is less common in developed countries, it still affects millions of people worldwide, particularly in regions with limited access to nutrient-rich foods. Even in populations with adequate access to food, a diet low in beta-carotene can still hinder optimal vision health. Carrots, rich in beta-carotene, offer an easy, accessible, and cost-effective way to boost vitamin A intake. For those who may not get enough through animal sources of vitamin A, such as liver or eggs, plant-based options like carrots can provide an important alternative. Moreover, carrots are not only about night vision, they also contain other nutrients like vitamin C, which plays an important role in maintaining the health of blood vessels in the eyes. This vitamin also supports the immune system, further aiding the body's ability to fight off infections, including those that can lead to eye diseases. The high water content in carrots also promotes hydration and keeps the eye tissues moist, preventing dryness and irritation that could contribute to discomfort. Leafy green vegetables are another cornerstone of a vision-healthy diet. Packed with powerful antioxidants like lutein and zeaxanthin, these nutrients have a protective effect on the eyes, particularly the macula, the central part of the retina responsible for sharp, detailed vision. Lutein and zeaxanthin act as natural filters, absorbing harmful blue light and reducing oxidative stress that can damage the eye cells over time. This protective function is especially important as we age, as the risk of developing age-related macular degeneration, AMD, increases. AMD is one of the leading causes of blindness in older adults, but consuming foods rich in lutein and zeaxanthin has been shown to significantly reduce the risk of developing the disease. The antioxidants in leafy greens work by neutralizing free radicals, which are unstable molecules that can cause oxidative damage to tissues and cells in the body. Free radicals are generated by factors such as sun exposure, pollution, smoking, and even the natural aging process. Over time, oxidative damage can lead to a breakdown of the cells in the retina and other parts of the eye, contributing to vision problems. Lutein and zeaxanthin can help prevent this by neutralizing these free radicals, preserving the integrity of the eye's structure and function. Some of the best sources of lutein and zeaxanthin include spinach, kale, collard greens, and Swiss chard. These leafy greens are rich in both of these essential antioxidants, making them a perfect choice for protecting the macula and supporting overall eye health. In addition to these antioxidants, leafy greens also provide a good amount of vitamin C, which helps maintain the health of the blood vessels in the eyes, ensuring proper circulation and nourishment. This is important because healthy blood vessels supply oxygen and nutrients to the retina where vision processing occurs. Additionally, leafy greens are a rich source of vitamin K, a nutrient that plays a role in maintaining healthy bones but also supports eye health by improving the blood circulation to the eyes. The high fiber content of these vegetables also contributes to overall health, helping to reduce the risk of chronic diseases that can negatively impact eye health, such as diabetes. By adding more leafy greens to your meals, you can increase your intake of essential nutrients that protect your eyes from degeneration, inflammation, and other issues that can lead to vision loss. Fatty fish are among the most powerful foods you can eat for preserving eye health. Rich in omega-3 fatty acids, particularly DHA, docosahexaenoic acid, and EPA, eicosapentaenoic acid. These healthy fats offer numerous benefits for the eyes. Omega-3s play a critical role in maintaining the structure of the retina and preventing dry eye syndrome, a condition that affects millions of people, particularly as they age. Omega-3s help lubricate the eyes, ensuring that they stay moist and comfortable, while also supporting the production of tears, which are essential for keeping the eyes hydrated and free from irritation. In addition to supporting tear production, omega-3 fatty acids have been shown to reduce the risk of developing age-related macular degeneration, AMD. AMD is a leading cause of vision loss among older adults, and research has indicated that those who consume higher levels of omega-3s have a significantly lower risk of developing this disease. The anti-inflammatory properties of omega-3s also help reduce inflammation in the eyes, which is a contributing factor to various eye conditions, including macular degeneration and diabetic retinopathy. The best sources of omega-3 fatty acids are oily fish such as salmon, mackerel, sardines, herring, and anchovies. These fish are rich in DHA and EPA, which are the specific types of omega-3s most beneficial for the eyes. While plant-based sources of omega-3s, such as flax seeds and chia seeds, provide ALA, a type of omega-3, it must be converted into DHA and EPA by the body. This conversion process is inefficient, which is why fatty fish are considered the best source for optimal eye health. Regular consumption of fatty fish can have long-term benefits for vision. Studies have shown that people who eat fatty fish at least once or twice a week have a significantly lower risk of developing dry eye syndrome, cataracts, and macular degeneration. Fatty fish also provide high-quality protein and essential vitamins, including vitamin D, which has been linked to improved eye health. Vitamin D helps regulate the immune system and protects the eyes from infections and inflammation that can lead to chronic eye conditions. Eggs are an incredibly versatile and nutrient-dense food, often considered a superfood for their ability to support overall health, including eye health. While eggs are well known for providing high-quality protein, they also contain a variety of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that are particularly beneficial for the eyes. One of the most notable nutrients in eggs is zinc, a trace mineral that is critical for maintaining the health of the retina. Zinc helps transport vitamin A from the liver to the retina, where it is used to produce rhodopsin, the protein responsible for vision in low light conditions. Zinc deficiency can impair night vision and increase the risk of age-related macular degeneration, AMD, so ensuring adequate zinc intake is important for maintaining long-term eye health. In addition to zinc, eggs are rich in two powerful antioxidants, lutein and zeaxanthin, which are concentrated in the macula of the eye. As mentioned previously, lutein and zeaxanthin help protect the eyes from harmful blue light and oxidative damage. These antioxidants act as a natural defense against the damaging effects of UV rays and pollution, which can accelerate the development of eye conditions like cataracts and macular degeneration. Consuming eggs regularly can help boost your intake of these essential antioxidants, improving your ability to filter out harmful light and protect your eyes from cellular damage. Eggs also provide a good amount of vitamin A, which, as discussed earlier, is essential for maintaining healthy vision. Vitamin A helps protect the cornea, the clear outer layer of the eye, and supports the function of the retina. It is also involved in the production of tears, which are necessary for keeping the eyes moist and free from irritation. With their combination of vitamin A, zinc, lutein, and zeaxanthin, eggs are a nutritional powerhouse that offers comprehensive protection for the eyes. Citrus fruits are among the best sources of vitamin C, a crucial antioxidant that plays a significant role in maintaining eye health. This water-soluble vitamin is essential for collagen production, a protein that provides structure to the cornea and helps maintain the integrity of blood vessels in the eyes. The eyes rely on strong, healthy blood vessels to ensure proper circulation and oxygenation, which is vital for optimal vision. When blood vessels become weak or damaged, it can lead to conditions such as retinopathy, a disorder that affects the retina and can result in vision loss. Vitamin C is also one of the key nutrients in reducing the risk of cataracts, a condition where the lens of the eye becomes cloudy, leading to blurry vision. Cataracts are a common age-related issue, and research has shown that individuals who consume high amounts of vitamin C have a lower risk of developing them. The antioxidant properties of vitamin C help to neutralize free radicals, which are unstable molecules that contribute to oxidative stress, a major factor in the development of eye diseases. By reducing oxidative damage, vitamin C slows the progression of cataracts and helps preserve clarity in vision. In addition to cataract prevention, vitamin C has been linked to a decreased risk of age-related macular degeneration, AMD. Studies suggest that people who consume higher levels of this vitamin, along with other antioxidants such as lutein, zeaxanthin, and vitamin E, are less likely to experience the advanced stages of AMD. This is because vitamin C supports the retina's ability to function properly and reduces inflammation that can damage retinal cells over time. Some of the best sources of vitamin C include oranges, grapefruits, lemons, limes, and tangerines. Other fruits, such as kiwis, strawberries, and papayas, also provide significant amounts of this essential vitamin. Consuming citrus fruits daily can ensure that you receive an adequate amount of vitamin C to support your eye health. Nuts and seeds are packed with vitamin E, an important fat-soluble antioxidant that helps protect eye cells from oxidative damage. This vitamin plays a key role in preventing age-related macular degeneration, AMD, and cataracts, two of the most common causes of vision impairment in older adults. Vitamin E works by neutralizing free radicals, which can damage healthy cells and contribute to the deterioration of the retina over time. Since the eyes are highly susceptible to oxidative stress due to constant exposure to light and oxygen, having a sufficient intake of vitamin E is essential for long-term eye health. Studies have shown that individuals who consume high amounts of vitamin E have a lower risk of cataracts and are less likely to experience severe vision loss from AMD. This is because vitamin E helps maintain the clarity of the eye's lens and protects the sensitive tissues of the retina from degenerative changes. In addition, vitamin E is known to enhance the function of immune cells, which may help reduce the risk of infections and inflammation that can negatively impact vision. Some of the best sources of vitamin E include almonds, sunflower seeds, hazelnuts, and walnuts. Other excellent sources include pumpkin seeds, flax seeds, and chia seeds, which not only provide vitamin E, but also contain beneficial omega-3 fatty acids that further support eye health. Nuts and seeds are also rich in zinc and selenium, two trace minerals that contribute to overall vision protection by supporting retinal function and enhancing the body's ability to absorb other eye-healthy nutrients. Legumes, including lentils, chickpeas, black beans, and kidney beans, are an excellent plant-based source of zinc, a crucial mineral that plays a significant role in maintaining eye health. Zinc is essential for the function of over 300 enzymes in the body and is particularly important for retinal health as it helps transport vitamin A from the liver to the retina, where it is needed to produce rhodopsin. Rhodopsin is the pigment that enables vision in low-light conditions, and a deficiency in zinc can lead to night blindness and poor visual adaptation to darkness. Zinc also plays a role in reducing the risk of age-related macular degeneration, AMD, by protecting the retina from oxidative stress and inflammation. Research has shown that individuals with higher zinc intake are less likely to experience severe forms of AMD, as the mineral helps prevent the breakdown of retinal cells. Additionally, zinc supports the immune system, reducing the risk of eye infections and inflammation that could compromise vision. Legumes are an affordable and nutritious way to increase zinc intake, while also providing a rich source of fiber, protein, and other essential vitamins and minerals. They can be used in a variety of dishes, including soups, stews, salads, and dips like hummus. Because zinc absorption from plant-based sources is lower than from animal-based sources, combining legumes with vitamin C-rich foods, such as bell peppers or citrus fruits, can help enhance zinc absorption. Maintaining healthy vision is a lifelong commitment, and a nutrient-rich diet plays a crucial role in preserving eye health and preventing vision loss. By incorporating these powerful foods into your daily meals, you can provide your eyes with the essential vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants needed to maintain clear vision and protect against age-related eye diseases. Each of these foods offers unique benefits, from supporting night vision with vitamin A to protecting the retina with omega-3s and antioxidants like lutein and zeaxanthin. In addition to a nutrient-dense diet, remember that lifestyle factors such as regular eye exams, protecting your eyes from excessive UV exposure, and reducing screen time can also contribute to long-term eye health. By making conscious choices to nourish your eyes, you're not only protecting your vision, but also improving your overall health. Embrace these eye-healthy foods and enjoy the benefits of sharp, vibrant vision for years to come.